Welcome to What a Hairstyle. Today we're talking about amazing short haircuts for women over 70. Getting older doesn't mean you can't have a fantastic and stylish look. In fact, short hair can be super chic, easy to manage, and truly flattering. We'll show you some great ideas that will make you feel confident and beautiful. Let's dive into these wonderful styles perfect for your age group. First up, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. This style is timeless and always looks fresh. It's cut very short on the sides and back, and a little longer on top. The pixie cut is very low maintenance, meaning you don't need to spend a lot of time styling it. It's great for showing off your face and can be styled sleek or a little messy for a fun look. Many women over 70 love this easy and elegant option. Next, we have the modern bob. A bob can be cut at different lengths, but for women over 70, a shorter bob is often best. Think a chin length or even ear length bob. This style is also very versatile. You can have it straight or add some soft waves for a softer look. The bob can frame your face nicely and give you a sophisticated yet youthful vibe. It's a popular choice for good reason. Consider a layered cut, even with short hair. Layers add volume and movement, which is perfect if your hair is thinning or a little fine. A short, layered cut can give your hair a fuller appearance and make it look bouncy. It creates a soft shape around your face and is easy to style with just a little product. Layers can really bring life to your short hairstyle. Another great option is a graduated bob or an A-line bob. This means the hair is slightly shorter in the back and gradually gets longer towards the front. This style offers a chic angle and can be very flattering, especially if you have a rounder face. It creates a modern and stylish silhouette that looks polished and put together. It's a beautiful twist on the traditional bob. Don't forget about bangs. Bangs can totally change your look and are wonderful for women over 70. Soft, wispy bangs can frame your face and even hide a few forehead lines if you want. Side-swept bangs are also a great choice, adding a touch of softness and style. Bangs can really complete a short haircut and make it feel more personal and flattering. When choosing your short haircut, always think about your hair texture. If your hair is naturally curly, a short, layered cut that embraces your curls can be stunning. If it's straight, a sharp pixie or bob might be perfect. And don't be afraid to talk to your hairstylist. They can help you pick the best short haircut that suits your face shape and hair type.